In this 3-minute video, I will show you how to do a two-handed helicopter in both directions. The move is broken down in two components. The first is the hoop rotating in either the clockwise or counterclockwise direction, like this. The second is the hoop rotation around your body, either to the left or to the right. We combine those two components and that's the move. Hold the hoop in front of you with your palms facing up. With the hoop in your right hand, begin moving the hoop in a clockwise direction around your body and rotate your wrist so your palm faces up when the hoop is directly behind you. Grab the hoop with your left hand and rotate your wrist as you move the hoop towards the front of your body. The palms will face up at both the front and the back of your body. The receiving hand is always facing the same direction that the rotating hand faces. You can try this move with different speeds and holding the hoop closer to or further away from your body. Once you have it down that direction, let's try it the other way. Hold the hoop in front of you with your palms facing up. With the hoop in your left hand, begin moving the hoop in a counterclockwise direction around your body and rotate your wrist so the palm faces up when the hoop is directly behind you. Grab the hoop with your right hand and rotate your wrist as you move the hoop towards the front of your body. There's a trade-off between the left and right hands, which occurs in the front and back of the body when the palms are facing up. The hoop will rotate the opposite direction than it moves around the body. So when the hoop rotates in a counterclockwise direction, it is moving around the body to the right or in a clockwise direction. When the hoop rotates about its own axis in a clockwise direction, it moves about the body to the left or in a counterclockwise direction. Yeah, that's a little bit confusing. A lot of clockwise and counterclockwise here, but that's the move. Let's now go over a transition for this move. Start with the two-handed helicopter and grab the hoop to enter into an escalator. You can do this in either direction. That's pretty much all I got for you. I hope you learned something new in this video. Thanks for stopping by.